Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. This is my official first Fatwood Friday. And I'll show you what I got going on down here. I actually thought I was out of Fatwood. I thought this was my only piece that I'd been using. And then I was doing some cleaning up. And I was actually shooting another video. And I was like, oh, I have more Fatwood, so now I can actually partake in the Fatwood Fridays. So, a number of guys I subscribe to do the Fatwood Friday. Redneck Renegade, T Sawyer, and Mi Woodsman, Chris's Variety Channel, just to name a few. And I don't want to just come out here and burn some Fatwood. James G does it too. That's 5 of them. What I did is I wrote down a bunch of channels I want to do, along with the Fatwood Friday, do a channel shout out. So I thought, well, the best way to do it is to do a drawing. So I'm going to be adding more to this can as I go, but I want to just, do a shout out. Oh, and I dropped it. That was swift of me. And it's BarnYard Outdoors. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll link his channel below. Shout out to you, brother. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep them in a little baggie separate from the other ones, and then every week I'm going to draw a new one. And of course I'll link the description with the other channels I mentioned. So what, 5? And I still have their name in here somewhere. So that's it. It's something I wanted to do. Give shout outs to my fellow YouTubers. I'm actually at home on my back porch right now, hence the firewood in behind me. I'm getting ready. I just shot a quick video getting ready for winter, so I need wood for next winter. So let's get the camera turned down. Okay, camera angles are kind of interesting. Sounds like a garbage truck complex beside me. I'm using the LT Wright GNS today. I think I'm going to try to use a different knife every time I do this, because I have a few. I'm also going to be using the Nathan 4071 ferro rod. Just to give you an idea the size of this. I mean, this is a canteen. Yeah, it's huge. It's so cool. Such a great ferro rod. And this is the little piece of Fatwood I had that I thought was my last, but let's see. And I get the little high-speed striker to go with it. Come on. Let's get a downward angle at this sucker. Of course, it always has to be stubborn when the camera's on. There we go. Now it's not doing it right. Sweet. Hopefully the neighbor doesn't come out screaming, "What is that I smell? Is that something burning?" Nice. It's the little things in life. Oh, don't want to burn up my ferro rod. Alright, well, there's going to be a whole bunch of links in the description. And of course, the smoke has to come back at me. Yeah. Alrighty, as always, I appreciate all of you watching, and link this, as I said, the description will be full of links to everybody's channel that I mentioned. Excuse me. And have a good one, and we'll catch you in the next one.